Welcome guys, I am Komal Shamtambe from the Department of Zoology Post Graduation. Today's my seminar topic is allosteric enzymes, which is related to biochemistry. In this topic we will see introduction of allosteric enzymes, properties of allosteric enzymes, model of allosteric enzymes, concerted model of allosteric regulations, sequential model of allosteric enzymes, sigmoid curve of allosteric enzymes, allosteric effector, types of allosteric regulations and the applications. Firstly, the introduction of allosteric enzymes. The allosteric enzymes are those enzymes possess additional sites known as allosteric sites beside the active site. The allosteric sites are unique places on the enzyme molecules. Allosteric enzymes have one or more allosteric sites. The term allosteric has been introduced by the two Nobel laureates Monod and Jacob to denote an enzyme site different from the active site which non-competitively binds molecule other than the substrate and may influence the enzyme. Coming to the properties of allosteric enzymes. Allosteric enzymes have one or more allosteric sites. Allosteric sites are binding site distinct from an enzyme active site or substrate binding site. Molecules that bind to allosteric site are called effector or modulator. Effector may be positive or negative. This effector regulates the enzyme activity. The enzyme activity is increased when a positive allosteric effector binds at the allosteric site, known as activator site. On the other hand, negative allosteric effector binds at the allosteric site called inhibitor site and inhibitor the enzyme activity. The model of allosteric regulations. Two main models have been proposed to describe the mechanistic basis of enzyme allostery, that is concerted model and sequential model. Concerted model of allosteric regulation. Subunits are all now in the high affinity relaxed form. Binding of ligands to 10 subunit converts all the other subunits to relaxed form. Sequential model of allosteric regulation. Subunits are sequentially converted from tens to relaxed form. Binding of ligand to 10 subunit converts that subunit and one other to relaxed form. Sigmoid curve of allosteric enzyme. On the x-axis concentration of substrate and on the y-axis initial reaction rate. Allosteric saturation curve is sigmoid, not hyperbolic like a typical Michaelis Menten enzyme. The allosteric effector. Allosteric effectors are of two types. The positive allosteric effectors. The positive allosteric sites in allosteric activations goes to cofactor binding area. Second one is negative allosteric effectors. In negative allosteric sites in allosteric inhibitors goes to binding area or substrate. The types of allosteric regulations. Homotropic. A homotropic allosteric modulator is a substrate for its target enzyme as well as a regulatory molecule of the enzyme's activity. It is typically an activator of the enzyme. For example, O2 is a homotropic allosteric modulator of hemoglobin. Heterotropic. A heterotropic allosteric modulator is a regulatory molecule that is not also the enzyme substrate. It may be either an activator or an inhibitor of the enzyme. For example, H plus CO2 are heterotropic allosteric modulators of hemoglobin. The application of allosteric enzymes. The combined use of physical techniques, for example X-ray cryptography and solution, small angle X-ray scattering and genetic techniques. Long-range allosteric is especially important in cell signaling and pharmacology. Thank you. This is all about allosteric enzymes.